Hello, this is Jan, and today I got a kind of an exciting episode here. We're going to be talking about Google Ads, and specifically, this is for a brand new account or somebody who's fairly new to advertising in general on the Google Ads platform. And you can see the background here. This is basically a choice you have to make when you first set up your Google Ads system. And this is called a bid type. Now, there's many variables that go into setting this ad system up. One of the key things you need to get right or to understand is the various bid types. And in this case, we pose the question, is it this or is it that? Meaning this on the left side, max clicks, or on the right-hand side, max conversions. So which one should you choose? What's the best option? How do you get the best bang for your bucks, essentially? Well, I'm going to take you through it here today, and it's really quite simple. I've been advertising for a lot of years using Google now with a lot of different clients in a lot of different marketplaces. And the one thing that comes out as a first question when a new account is established is, how do we get the right traffic? How do we get any traffic at one level of discussion? And how do we maximize our budget? And initially, if we don't have any history and no background data to rely on, and that Google cannot work from, in essence, their algorithm, what do we do to get started? How do we crank up some traffic? Well, the main recommendation out the gate is going to be max clicks. So once you set up the Google account and you have established your billing and payments and everything looks right, and you're about to hit the plus sign inside the ads platform, and you're setting up a brand new account, it's going to get you to this place that you see on the left and the right hand side here, where you can specify if you want max clicks or max conversions. The idea that you can get as much traffic as possible for your budget with max clicks is a good one. In fact, that's what Google says. Hey, we'll spend your money, we'll get you your clicks. They don't say how qualitative or how much is that quality established from the outset. No, but we're going to get you started. On the right-hand side here, max conversions. If you have some history in the account and you have conversion data already established, max conversion can be the right way to go. In fact, probably for you in that case, if you have that data, it's the right way to go. There's other things to consider here, but we are talking about this or that today. So if you have no data and you have a brand new account, go to the left here, set up max clicks. If you have some conversion data, and Google can send you a little more quality data, then you want to set up max conversions. And that's a simple rule. It's one that I've tested and deployed many times out there. And in fact, the way to get to max conversions, if you're using this automated bidding strategy, is to start with max clicks. So once you start with max clicks, the next question is, well, how much money should I spend? How long should it run? What kind of ads? I mean, this gets into a bigger discussion. I am trying to just resolve the idea that we need to pick a bid type strategy, either max clicks or max conversions. Now, the discussion around how long it should run is based on metrics and goals within your account, within your business. But briefly stated, if you're running max clicks, and again, we're assuming a baseline budget of $20 a day, then what you can do is run it for about 3 to 5 days, give or take, right? This is a watch, monitor, and assess type of situation. Then you can switch over to max conversions. And typically we do that through another section within the ads platform called experiments. But if you're just testing out, getting established, and you're sort of using a sandbox/play mentality here, not to undermine the seriousness of money spent and business building and all of that, you can start out with max clicks. Max conversions comes later after you've established some data. And when we move to max conversions, we want to make darn sure that you have your conversion point set up in your funnel so that the scripts are firing and sending back the data to Google correctly. And there's also something where we talk about max conversions purely as sort of a CPL, cost per lead type of structure. And we also talk about cost per acquisition, or cost per sale, I should say, in a more e-commerce centric fashion, where we actually feed each value point back to Google so that the algorithm better understands what type of data you're looking for. So with that said, guys and gals, start out in a brand new account with Max Clicks. Once you have some time and history established, go ahead and move over to Max Conversions. And within Max Conversions, I should say, you also have the ability to set a target or a ceiling, a cost per acquisition. In this case, I'd put $50. That might be a reasonable expectation in a B2B scenario. For a B2C e-commerce scenario, that could still also be viable. This gets into a much bigger discussion, and we need to compile metrics and use some baseline data in order to move from there to make sure that you get profitable as quickly as possible. So hopefully this has been helpful, and primarily I'm talking to you, a person that has a brand new account and you are trying to move forward, getting some traffic into the amazing Google system. So if you need any more information, click the link below. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, like, and share. Anything you want to ask me about, click the link at the bottom of this video, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Take it easy. Jan out.